Hi everyone, this is the second screencast related to this lecture on stress. So we're going to start off with this slide. So we're looking here at the endocrine system and stress. So the function of the endocrine system is to secrete hormones. And the endocrine system is really a network of glands that secrete hormones. So when the body is under stress, there are two major groups of hormones released to combat this stress. So there are the catecholamines and the corticosteroids. So when we look at adrenaline, so increased adrenaline results in increased heart rate. So high catecholamine levels are related to certain illnesses and diseases like diabetes, heart disease, stroke. Increased cortisol can suppress immunity, can cause insulin resistance, leading to diabetes, can increase blood pressure. So the increased cortisol is associated with diseases like cancer and hypertension and ulcers and heart attack and diabetes, arthritis, Parkinson's disease, and a variety of infections. So during periods of prolonged stress, elevated levels of adrenal hormones, including cortisol, destroy the ability of white blood cells, known as natural killer T cells, and that is concerning. All right, so we see the catecholamines, adrenaline, epinephrine, and norepinephrine, and then the corticosteroids, primarily cortisone and cortisol.